it's Jim Hammerand, Managing Editor at Medical Design and Outsourcing with your 2-minute MDO webinar announcement. On Wednesday, April 6th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, Medical Design and Outsourcing will host an all-new webinar called Sterilizable, Weldable, Sealable TPE Tubing for Biopharmaceutical Process. Stefan Cornelis, TS&D and R&D Medical Devices and Biopharmaceutical Processing expert at Dupont Healthcare Solutions, will give you a sneak peek on Dupont's recently introduced thermo-weldable TPE tubing solution. You will get a crash course on benchmark data for TPE tubing from a purity, performance, quality, and reliability perspective, not to mention substantiate areas of equivalent or superior performance and ease evaluation and qualification processes. You will also have the opportunity to understand the merits of an alternative thermo-weldable single-use tubing solution. You're definitely going to want to tune in on Wednesday, April 6th at 10 a.m. Eastern. And remember, registration is free, so sign up now through the link in the comment section down below. This has been your Medical Design Outsourcing 2-minute webinar announcement. Looking forward to having you join us at our upcoming webinar. And as always, you can head over to medicaldesignoutsourcing.com for full access to breaking stories of the innovation, the design, development, and contract manufacturing aspects of medical devices and equipment. Be sure to also like, follow, and subscribe to Medical Design Outsourcing on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook.